Maxim.
Yes, dear audience, thank you for having me. I'm Maxime Vermeer. I'm a civil engineer. I'm from Aachen. So this is Axel Kohlschein. He invented the Frawo module, short for framework. This prefab wall saves resources, time, and costs, and emissions. First, I want to say, you might know that the construction industry emits up to 50% of emissions and waste worldwide. Second fact, architects and engineers, as LCA experts state, have 1,000 times higher impact on climate change every year than the usual consumer could have by changing its behavior. But what is the problem? We simply over-engineer. Steel concrete is labor-intensive, it's too heavy in many cases. The same applies for masonry. I don't want to say anything about the materials, they're fine, but often they're just too much. And they're hazardous waste in the end, there's not thought about it. So there's a slim way, which is known for a long time, framework, to build very slim. Well, we have used this and reinversed it per engineering. What we bring is a prefabricated wall that is made out of light materials. You see the red cavities and the cavity at the top. So after you place the wall on the construction site, these become filled with steel and concrete, and voila, you get a framework like I've shown you. What we can is we do any type of buildings below 10 storages, residential, industrial, and commercial offices, and so on. We can even do noise barrier walls for highways. But that's not our USP now, but we have modular standards for architects and engineers to plan very smart. And for constructors, there's less labor intensity, and they're just done in half of the time. As well as the whole wall, because of the lightweight, is very energy efficient and meets all standards in the operation of the building. We have reduced costs in general, and our materials are cradle to cradle. I see I have to hurry up. So we use expanded glass, which comes from residual glass that is upcycled, and we use hemp wood chips from the hemp plant, which has beautiful building physics properties. Our prefab wall has all the building properties that you need. Fire resistancy, it's resistant against pests, and isolation, and so on. The beautiful part is about the Frawo organic hemp-free part, that it saves emissions. It has 150% saving potential in difference to the conventional building techniques. We can already do this, and we start our production line next year here in NRW, just 100 kilometers away from here. So we have two business models. We produce, and we sub-license to bigger partners to get this idea worldwide to Africa or to Asia and to America. The market is big for circular construction of renewable and recycled building materials. With just 0.5%, we amount to 2 billion euros. Okay, I rushed through it, I'm over the time. If you want to stay connected, here you have the chance to scan it. It works. On the other hand, feel free to come up to me. I'll be glad to talk to you. Thank you for having me, guys.